Hello, morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, guys. How are you all? Doing good? There is too much milk as well as. Okay, so we'll start our class. Good morning to all. There is a camera. We'll start the class. Yesterday, we learned about the discriminant. So, Nayantara and Reena, you saw that video? Discriminant one? Nayantara, you saw that? Okay, Reena. Nayantara, you?
Sorry, sir.
You saw that video? That discriminant yesterday, which I thought.
Yeah. Okay.
So they won't be. So now I will give you some questions. You guys have to find the nature of basically we have to find the discriminant. And discriminants for a revision, I will tell you one more time. Discriminants are of three types. First is real, distinct root. Second one is real equal root. Third one is no. Okay. Just for a repeater, I can write it like this. If t is greater than 0, like plus 1, plus 2, plus 9, like this, then in this it will be real, distinct. Okay. Do you understand? Second, if t is equals to 0, means you get the value of d is equal to 0, then in this case it will be anybody can calculate it say it will be real equal to real equal to. And the third part, d is smaller than 0, smaller than 0, like negative. In this case, we will get no, no roots and no roots. Did you understand? Okay, and how will you get the value of t? Value of t can be there's a formula p square by this formula you will find the value of t. Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible? Is it clear? David, can you hear me? Reena, can you hear me? Is it clear now or cracking? Is it clear now? Say yes or no? Um, okay, good. So now we will solve this. So, for example, I will write the equation x square minus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. X square minus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. Now you have to find the nature of this. How will you find it out? What is the value of a? What is the value of a? A value is, Rina will tell you. Yes. What is the value of a in this? You're mute.
X.
No.
No.
A is coefficient of x square. Yes. Then what it is? Nothing is written. You have to consider it as a 1. Which means that a will. Got it? No. You don't need to understand. Okay. The value of A is 1. What is the value of B? What is the value of B? Minus. Then what is the value of C? A will be. Okay. Did you understand, Agatha? Miracle, Sayan sir, everyone understood? Turn on your camera, everyone. Now, you have to B square minus 4. Now, you put it B is minus 9 square minus 4 into A, which is 81 minus 18 for the 72. Yes. So I will get answer as 9. So B square minus 4 is I am getting 9. So D is greater than 0. Yes or no? D is greater than 0. So it means that it will be, what is the nature of that? It is real, distinct. Everyone got this? Yes or no? Agatha, Vidya, Nayantara, Abraham, David, got it? This is how we will find out the nature of the Abraham, David, are you there? Yeah. Now question number 2. Now you guys will do it and send it to me. Okay. Now solve this and tell me which type of root is. Abraham, you got it? How to solve this? Quickly solve this and send the answer to me. Miraculin, are you there? Dina, can you hear me? Send the answer to me, please. I got you. Yes, I got Nayantara, where is your word problems? Linear equation. You didn't solve that? Why?
I couldn't understand the questions.
You didn't understand the question. So you didn't ask me in doubt class also.
Um, when I have a problem when I do it with help, but then I didn't have doubts then. But when I'm doing it
Okay.
myself, I read the question wrong.
So you need to attempt that. I mean, don't leave it just like that. And try one more time. And if you have any doubt, we can arrange the doubt class for that. We can't run away from that. We can't lose marks in that. Okay. And the one question it was written graphically. Graphically means you have to make it in the graph. Graphically means you have to make it in the graph, not you have to solve that. Okay. Now, you are getting the value of b in positive or negative, Abraham? Abraham, can you hear me?
Can you just explain it to me so once again?
Yes, sure. So you tell me, what is the value of first a? What is the value of a?
So could you explain to me so from the start? So I'm not able to understand anything almost.
Okay. So we have to first find it out the value of a, b, and c. Okay. What is a, b, and c means we have to compare it with the standard form of equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay. Now in this question, what is a? A, if I will compare it, so I will get the value of a is 2. Okay. What is the value of b? The value of b is -4. And the value of c, the value of c is -20. Got it? You got this thing? Now we have to find the value of b. What is the value of? So value of b is basically equals to b square minus 4. See, there is a formula. Okay, we have to learn this formula b square minus 4. Now what is b? B is -4 square minus 4 into a. A is 2. The c is -2. Did you understand? Say yes or no? So, so it will become 16 minus 8. 8 into 21 is 168. Oh, sorry. 168.
No, sir,
What it will
14.
become? Ah, sorry. So 14 square is 196. Okay. Minus into minus 168. It will become 196 plus 168. Okay. It will become 4, 350. So I am getting the value of D 354, which is more than. Okay, Abraham, more than 0. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now it means that the D, if it is more than D is more than 0, then in this case it will be real distinct. So you have to write that it will be real distinct. Got it, everyone? Real distinct. Okay. I'll give one more question.
What will be 364?
Yeah, 354 only I wrote.
Say it out.
I have a quick
Oh,
question.
Please. Please.
Yeah, like in the second question, plus 68. How the plus sign came? Like because of the minus minus?
Yeah, minus multiply with minus, minus and minus. Plus.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Abraham, did you understand? Say yes or no? Abraham, can you hear me?
No, sir, I didn't understand, sir.
Yeah, which part you didn't understand? Ask me.
So can you explain it again? So I'm not understanding how it's done.
Okay, so what you didn't understand?
So from the start, so I'm not understanding how it is done.
Okay, so I'll give one more question and then we will do it on the board so that everyone will do their question in their notebook and we will do on the board. Okay? So we'll do one. Like the equation is x square minus 9x plus 30. This is the question. Okay. So now we will do this. Okay, Abraham? We will. Now, first of all, what is the first step, Abraham? We have to find it out what is A, B, and C. How we will find it out? With the help of this standard form of quadratic equation. You got this? Say yes or no. Now, can you unmute your mic and tell me what is the value of A, B, and C?
So can you repeat, sir?
Can you tell me the value of A, B, and C? So we'll compare these two equations.
A, B, and C.
Hmm. What is the value of A? If nothing is there, then we consider this
Into
as 1.
1.
Okay. The value of A is 1. Then what is the value of B?
9.
Minus 3. 9 on 0. Okay.
And C is
C,
equal to 30.
very good. Now what is the formula for the D?
Can you repeat, sir?
What is the formula for D? Discriminant formula.
Um,
The formula. Can you see this?
is equal to B square minus 4AC.
Yeah, so you have to use this formula. You have to write B square minus 4AC. Now you got this.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the value of B? Minus 9 square minus 4 into A, which is 1, and B, which is 30. I just put the values, these values into this formula. Got it?
Minus 9 square is 81.
Yes.
So, and 81 minus 4 into 30, which is 120.
So what will you get answer? The value of B, yes.
Mm.
You will subtract it, you will get answer. Yeah, minus 30. Yes.
Yes,
So D value is less than 0. Minus you are getting, no? Less than 0. So if the value of D is less than 0, then what you have to write? You have to write no roots.
so can you repeat?
You get the value of D as negative, which is less than 0. And if you will get the value of D negative, which is less than 0, then you have to mention it no roots at all. You can't find the solution of this equation.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay? Now you got it?
Yes, sir.
Reena, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Did you understand this?
Mm.
Okay, I'll give one more question. Now everyone please do it and send me the answer, okay?
Sir,
Yes.
can you hear?
Ye- Yes, I can hear you. Directly. Ask me, beta.
Yeah, like minus 9 square minus 4, then the both minus will become plus now.
See, minus 9 square means minus 9 square means
The both
you have to write minus 9 multiplied by minus 9. Is it like this?
yeah.
Okay. So minus 9 multiplied by minus 9 is plus 81. Minus 9 multiplied by minus 9 is plus 81. So I will get plus 81 here.
Yeah.
And because there is no minus sign is there, like
Okay.
so minus minus will not become plus, so so you will get answer as minus here.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Everyone do this now. Now tell me what is the value of D in this. No, don't tell me the D. Just find the value of nature of the root. Reena, turn on your camera, please, beta. And tell me the value of D.
Um,
Yes. Tell me. Yes, Reena. Ask me doubt, beta. Reena, can you hear me?
yes, sir.
Yeah, you are asking me some doubt?
No.
Okay. Tell me the answer of this.
I'm writing down the steps in my note.
Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask me, okay?
Yeah, so I got the answer, but D is equal to 0.
Yeah. So if D is equals to 0, then what is the statement for that? Can you see this? It's real equal. So you have to write real equal. Got it, Abraham? Can you see this?
Real equal roots.
Yeah. So you have to write that the nature of the roots are real equal. Simple as that. Got it? Everyone got it? Shall I give one more question? Okay. Now, who will read this question? Reena, you read this question, please. Yes, read the question. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Find the nature of root and find it if possible.
Yeah.
X
So,
yeah, x
so
square.
we have to find the nature of the roots, like real roots or equal roots or no roots, and we have to find the roots also. So first, you guys find it out what is the nature of the roots quickly. Solve this and find the nature of it. With the formula d is equals to d square minus 4a. Nayantara, did you understand? No. Got it? Reena will tell me the answer quickly. And you guys can send it me in the chat. Abraham, you got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Good. Yes, who got the answer? Just send it me. Okay, good, Nayantara. Good, Agatha. Good, Betya. Reena, you got the answer? Just tell it to me, beta. What you got? Hello, Reena. Can you hear me? Hello.
So we have to solve it the same way we solve the other sums, right?
Yeah. First, find the nature of the roots. So D, which is equals to B square minus 4AC. I hope you guys got answer as 0. If anybody didn't understand how they got the answer as 0, please tell me. Please ask me if you didn't get answer as 0.
So I got the answer as 0.
Correct. Very good. So if you got the answer as 0, now we have to find the nature of the roots. Find it also. Now remember this thing, guys. If D is equals to is greater than 0, in this you can find the answer. If D is equals to 0, in this also you can find the answer. But if D is less than 0, in this you can't find the answer. Are you with me? Okay. If D is greater than 0, you can find the answer. If D is equals to 0 also, you can find the answer. But if D is less than 0, you cannot find the answer. Now, how will you find the answer? Now, Abraham, please see on the board. So the formula is minus B minus root of B square minus 4AC upon 2A, which is the quadratic formula. We discussed it before also. Okay. And this one be minus B plus root of B square minus 4AC upon 2A. Are you with me, guys? Abraham, this is the quadratic formula. Now, Abraham, we got this value B square minus 4AC, which is equals to 0. Can I substitute the value here? Did you understand? So what it becomes? Minus. What is the value of B? Minus 12. Then minus root 0 upon 2 into 1. And then minus 12 plus root 0 upon 2 into. Now, who didn't understand anything? Ask me. Abraham, you have any doubt, better?
So yes, sir. So why is this formula needed again, sir?
Why its formula is negative? This one you say. Why the formula is negative?
No, so why is it needed, sir, again?
Why so?
Why is the formula needed again, sir?
Okay, needed again. Needed again is because we have to find the value of x. We used to do with the middle term splitting. No? We used to do middle term splitting. Then we will get the value of x. Then we get two value of x. In this way also, here we need another two value of x. So this is the first value of x. This is the second value. Got it? Okay.
Yes, I
Yeah.
think I understood.
You didn't understand?
I understood a bit, sir.
You understood? Okay. Now we have to do like minus and minus become 12 and root 0 value is 0. Minus 0 upon 2 it becomes 12 plus 0 upon 2. 12 minus 0 is 12 upon 2 and this will become 12 upon 2. So you guys can see this when the value of dr is equals to 0. In this case, two roots are there, but they both roots are equal. Means the value of x are there, but the value of x are equal, which is 6 and 6. Are you with me? Did you understand? Reena, Nayantara, Abraham, ask me, beta. Abraham, ask me if you have doubt, please.
No, sir, I don't have a.
Okay. Shall I give one more question? Reena, are you with me?
Yes.
Yes, ask me doubt if you have any doubts. Ask me doubts. Yeah.
Maybe we can do another question.
Yeah, I'll give one more. Okay, you guys find it out first value of b, then solve. Okay, first find the value of b, which is b square minus 4. So you solve it. First find the value of b. Find the value of b first. And please send it to me. Yes, who got the value of b? Nobody got?
I sent you the answer.
Okay, if you got the value of b, now find the value of x also with the quadratic formula.
So, so why can't you substitute b square
Ah,
minus
sorry, sorry,
4ac in like,
sorry, sorry, sorry. Sorry.
yeah.
So here I got two values. First is -1, the second one is 8. Now who has doubt? Please ask me. Reena has doubt. Yes, please go ahead. Doubt illa? Nayantara, what about you? You got it? Nayantara? I guess. Who has doubt? Abraham, are you there? Agatha, you got it? Same answer? Yes, Abraham. What doubt you have, beta? No doubt?
I don't
Yes.
think I have all the
Okay, you don't have any doubt. Okay. Okay, perfect. So if you guys have no doubts, then we'll give you some homework. I'll write the homework. Just okay then. You guys have 2 minutes break. Come back in 2 minutes. Till then, bye, Nayantara. I'll give you the homework in the group.
Sir, I can't see the homework.
I'm sending in the group. Beta.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone, come back. We will start the class. So we were doing mirror, and yesterday we learned about the concave. Okay. Okay. Concave. Okay. Now, concave mirror, we learned that means center of curvature. Okay, so for a revision, first of all, which mirror is this, Agatha? Which mirror is this?
It's what type of glass was it? I think a concave glass.
Concave. So this is a concave mirror. Okay. Now this is a concave. So what is pole? The midpoint of the spherical mirror is called as pole. A line passing through pole is called as principal axis. Okay. Principal axis. And then we learn another term that is spherical mirror makes a look like a circle. The center of the circle is called as curvature. Okay, and this is the focus principle. Now I request everyone to go and bring compass because we have to make a compass. Bring compass, scale, pencil, eraser. Everyone, 2 minutes I'm giving. Quickly come back. Bring compass, scale, pencil, eraser. Quickly, quickly go and bring compass, scale, pencil, and eraser. Yes.
I forgot where is the focal point, focus length,
Focal length
from
is the
where to
distance
where?
between the focus. Distance between the focus and
Okay,
the
okay. So from your end, there is a lot of noise coming.
sort
I
of
don't know if it's only from here. Voice is coming. The sound, like there's a lot of sound coming.
sound is coming because I am in the cooler right now. It's too hot.
Where?
In the
Okay, okay.
This is cooler
Uh,
and the light also there. Congratulations. Okay. Now the sound will not come. Thanks for prayer. Okay, guys. Okay. So, what was I saying? What was I saying? Yeah,
Bring your
bring
compass.
compass and the scale. Now, everyone, open a compass till 6 centimeter. Everyone, wait. You have to make it with me, otherwise you're not able to do it. Like, open a compass of 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter with a scale you have to measure. You don't have to go. Open it with the scale 6 centimeter. Means your needle of the compass will be on 0 and the pencil of the compass should be on 6. Done? Now, put the needle of the compass here like this. If you not able to get it, you can see my camera. Put the needle of the compass here and then draw an arc like this without disturbing the compass. Your camera should be still. So put a compass on the needle like this and then draw an arc like this. Did you understand, guys? No. Don't make a circle. Just a small arc like this. The point where you put a needle, that point is center of curvature. The point where you put a needle, that point is called a center of curvature. Are you with me, Karthik? No, you didn't understand. And remember this thing, the point, center of curvature, and the point, pole, it should be 6 centimeters. So, from the center of curvature, draw a straight line like this. The point on the spherical mirror is called as a pole, and the distance between the center of curvature and the pole will be 6 centimeters. Abraham, David, please, Nitya, turn on your camera, please. Everyone got this? No.
Can you repeat that?
So, you got the center of curvature?
No, sir.
From where you?
From the start itself. Can you repeat from the start?
So, measure 6 centimeter or with the on the scale. Open a compass, measure 6 centimeter on the scale. You can't do like this. You have to put scale on the copy, on the notebook, and then measure it.
Like,
Not you have to put the scale in the on the table or on the desk, and then measure it. Quickly do it, beta. Then put a point. Put a point and make the arc like this. And from that point where you make a circle, that is the center of the curvature, and then draw a line from the center of curvature. The point on the spherical mirror will be the pole. Now, this focus should be at 3 centimeters. Like 0 to 6, if you measure it with 0 to 6, the midpoint of that will be 3 centimeters. So the focus should be at 3 centimeters. Got it, everyone?
so
Yeah.
For the question, 6 centimeter you should be in.
Yeah.
And
Then?
You have to make a circle. Not a circle, arc.
Arc.
Yeah, then
From the center of the circle, the point where you put, you have to make a straight line to the spherical mirror like that. Now this will be the center of curvature. The line which is passing, it will be the pole, and this will be the focus, which is 3 centimeters. Abraham, you got it? No.
Yes, sir. I think so.
Now, don't forget to make layers like this.
Sir,
Yes.
convex lens is a convergent lens, and convex mirror is a divergent mirror, and vice versa for the concave lens and concave mirror.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So everyone. Okay, everyone got this? Abraham. Now put a heading. Rules for the formation of concave mirror. Rules for the rules for the formation of image in concave rules for the formation of image in concave. What are the rules for the formation?
So,
Yeah.
so after finding the center of curvature, what should we do? My net is very.
Yeah. So when you got the center of curvature, which is the point where you put the needle, draw a straight line
Yeah,
like this.
okay.
Then the point on the spherical mirror, mark it as P, pole.
Okay.
Okay. And the midpoint of pole and center of curvature, which is 3 centimeters, you should be F. Focus.
Okay.
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 Now put a heading: rules for the formation of image in a concave. Now, what is the first rule? Now, first you have to understand it. Then I will give time to draw it, and then I will dictate it also so that you can write it down. So first, please understand. Everyone, turn on the camera. We will understand. The first rule is, for example, Reena. Which mirror is this? Which mirror is this, Reena?
The concave.
It's a glass. It's not a mirror because there is no polish. We have to check the polish. Okay. Okay. So this is now it's a concave, and this is a pole. A line passing through pole is called as principal axis. Okay. Did you understand, Reena? No. Reena got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now remember this thing, guys. Remember this thing. Blue line. If I am drawing with a blue line, that is the incident ray. That is the incident ray. And red line denote reflected ray. Red line denotes what? Reflected. Blue line is for incident ray. It is incident on the mirror. And reflected ray is the red line which is coming from the mirror after striking on the mirror. Did you understand, Abraham? No? Got it? So in this, we will have this will be. Okay. Now first rule is if a line is parallel to the principal axis, if a line is parallel to the principal axis, if a line is parallel to the principal axis, so after reflection, it will go through focus.
So the blue one is the incident ray. That one is
Say it again.
the blue ray is incident ray, right?
Yeah. The blue is incident and the red one is reflected. Okay. So if a line which is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it will go through principal focus. Now this is the principal axis. If it is parallel to that, then after reflection, it will go through principal focus.
So can you repeat that?
Yeah, I will dictate that part. But first, try to understand this. If a line is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it will go to the principal focus. Can you see this blue line? This blue line is parallel to this principal axis. If it is like that,
Yes.
then it will go through focus. After reflection, it will go through
The reflection ray will go through the
yeah
focus.
focus. Yeah, this is the first one. Abraham, you got this law? No. Ask me, beta. Unmute your mic and tell. If you didn't understand, I will explain this again.
No, sir, I think I got it.
Got it? See, the main thing is a line should be parallel to the principal. If it is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it will go through principal. It's gonna be good. Yes. Who was asking?
Sir,
Yes, Mirek.
yeah, I couldn't understand it. Can you explain this again?
See, the what are the blue line? The blue line is the incident.
Yeah,
So it is parallel to the black line, which is the principal axis.
yeah.
So after reflection, it will go to the principal focus. F.
Okay.
After reflection, it will go to principal focus like this. Straight line. Okay.
After reflection, reflected ray will go through the focus.
Yeah, the red line will go through focus.
Okay.
If blue line is parallel to the principal axis, black line.
Okay.
Okay. Now write it down what I'm saying. In a concave mirror, if incident ray in a concave mirror, if incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, if incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it will go through focus. After reflection, it will go through focus. This is the first law. Now, second law. Now we will learn about the second law. Now listen, guys. The second law says that if a line goes through principal focus like this, if a line goes through the principal axis like this, after reflection, it will become parallel to the principal axis. Means vice versa of the previous law. Previous law says parallel to the principal axis, go through focus. Now this is saying going through focus, parallel to the principal axis.
Sir,
Did you understand? Yes.
when you do the first now, the first you
The-
um,
yeah.
you drew two incident rays and two reflected. So
Say it again.
like two reflected rays, two incident rays. In every rule, is it like that or there's only one?
Now, in every case, if it is parallel to the principal axis, it will go through focus. In every case, if the incident ray, the blue line, if it is going from to the focus, then it will become parallel to the principal axis. It's gonna be look like that.
Yeah, but my question is like in every rule, the incident ray has there is 2 incident ray and 2 reflected ray in every rule, or we can different that.
No, two. In every case, two it's in. Reena, did you understand this law? Okay, what is the first law? If line is parallel to the principal axis, will go through focus. Second law, if line is going through focus, become parallel to the principal axis. Yes, Abraham. What doubt you have, beta? No
Sir,
doubt? Okay. Now write it down with me. If a line goes through, if a line goes through focus, if a line goes through focus, after reflection, it will go parallel to the principal. After reflection, it will go parallel to the principal in a concave mirror.
After reflection,
Parallel to the principal axis in a concave mirror.
So when will break actually start? Summer break starts.
Sorry?
When will summer break starts?
From like this Friday is the last class. I mean this Friday won't, Thursday. Because Friday is the test, no?
Yeah. Okay, so when do you think will we finish this chapter?
We will finish the chapter after the break soon. Okay?
So,
Now.
so the second rule is have a three chapters. If a line goes through focus after reflection, it will go parallel to the PA in a concave mirror position.
Yeah. Okay. Now the third law. Third law says that if a line is going to the from like through the curvature, if a line is going through the curvature, then the line will have no deviation, but it will come back to the same point. The line will show no deviation, it will come back to the same point. It's gonna be look like this. The line will come back to the same point. Reena, turn on the camera. Did you understand? Yes or no? This is the third.
So can you repeat the third?
Yeah. So for understanding or for writing? For writing, I will tell.
Understand.
Understanding with me, if a line goes through curvature point C, okay? If a line goes through the curvature and falls on the spherical mirror, it will come back to the same path. It won't show any deviation.
So the incident ray, you're talking about the incident ray or what?
Yeah, incident ray, when it falls on the spherical mirror through curvature, then the reflected ray will have the same path of the incident. Yes, Abraham. Any doubt, beta? Abraham? Any doubt?
No, sir, I don't think so.
Now third law. Fourth law. This was the third.
No,
Yeah.
it's also dictated.
Yeah. Okay. Write it down. If a line passes through center of curvature, if a line passes through center of curvature after reflection, after reflection, it will come back to the same path. It will come back to the same path. After reflection, it will come back to the same path.
The can you provide the sentence? If the line passes the center of curvature,
After reflection, it will come back to the same path.
before that, sir, if a line
Yeah,
passes through the center of curvature,
falls on the spherical mirror, falls on the spherical mirror. After reflection, it will come back to the same path. Now, fourth law.
my net is really 47. Again, I'm not able to hear the sentence. Can you repeat the whole sentence?
If a line passes through center of curvature, after reflection, it will come back to the same path. After reflection, it will come back to the same path.
If a line passes through the center of curvature,
After reflection, it will come back to the same path. The reflection will come back to the same path. Now, fourth. Fourth law is if a line falls on if a line falls on if a line falls on a pole obliquely, if it is falls on a pole like this, okay, then it will reflect back such that the angle I, then this is angle I. In this way, the angle I is equal to angle I is equal to this is the room. The incident ray striking on the pole of the mirror reflects symmetrically, obeying the laws of reflection. This is the laws of reflection in which angle I is equal to angle. Did you understand, guys? These are the four laws that we have to understand. Turn on your camera, everyone. Rina, did you understand all four laws? Say yes or no. Okay. These are the four. Now put a heading: image formation in a concave mirror. Image formation in a concave mirror. I hope you wrote everything. Image formation in a
Sir,
concave.
can I just
Everyone,
I didn't finish writing that. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, I was
now put a heading: image formation in concave mirror. Put a heading: image formation in concave mirror. Now I want you guys to make mirror properly with a compass and everything which I told you now. Now you have to draw it properly. So quickly draw this. If you draw the concave mirror like this whole structure with proper compass and scale and quickly draw it. I'm waiting for you guys. Quickly draw this. Rina, did you understand? With proper measuring and all I need.
Should we take any radius that we are comfortable with?
I request you guys to do 6. You can take any radius. But if it is 6, then it will be not too much short and not too much long. Could you draw it? I will wait for one more minute. Abraham, Miracle, are you there? Are you drawing this?
Yes, sir. I'm drawing this.
Okay, very good. Abraham, what about you? Are you there? Can
Yes,
you hear me? Yeah, you're drawing it. You're drawing this.
Yes, I'm copying it, sir.
Very good. Quickly draw it, beta. What humidity is there?
curvature is the point where we put the pin, right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, done. Done with the drawing. Shall I teach now?
Almost one. We are making the concave mirror, right?
Yeah. Class team.
So which what is the name of this topic? The image.
Sorry. Something.
What is the topic of this?
Topic is image formation. It's written image formation in a concave mirror. Now remember this thing. I wrote this line. Whenever two reflected lights meet, there will be the image formation. Reflected lights means two red lines. Whenever two red lines will meet, there will be the image formation from the principal axis. Okay, we will read it right. Write it down this line. This is important line. Whenever two reflected lights meet, there will be the image formation. Now, first point. The first point is when object is at infinity. So put a heading. When object, put a heading. Object at
Could you wait?
infinity.
Can you wait? I'm writing.
Yeah, it's there. Can you see it?
So where did you
Yes,
write
sir.
it? Yeah, that's what I'm writing. So you're saying to write the next topic. So
The topic is above.
and
Okay. Now, when object is at infinity, remember this line. When object is at infinity, line will always parallel to the principal axis. Simple as that. If a object is at infinity, the line will be parallel to the principal axis. So here, two lines will come. Two lines will come, which is blue in color, which is incident rays like this. And obviously, if it is parallel to the principal axis, what is the first rule? What is the first rule? Anybody? Can answer?
the reflected ray will pass through
Focus.
focus.
Very good. It will pass through focus. So here is the first line, and here is the second. So where are the two red lines are meeting? At focus, no?
Focus
At
point.
focus. Yes. So it means that when object is placed at infinity, this is a sign of infinity. So where the image is formed? The image is formed at focus. And what is the size? The size of the image, we have to consider it from the principal axis. Size of the image is always considered from the principal axis. Now it is on the principal axis, so it will be point size. It will be point size. And what is the nature? Now the image is formed. Now I will ask this question from David. David, where the image is formed? In front of the mirror or behind the mirror?
Front.
So it is real inverted or virtual erect?
Real inverted.
Real. So this will be the nature of the image is real and inverted. Now, who didn't understand? Ask me. Guys, you have to make arrows, okay? You have to make arrows. Proper arrows is needed.
So the image is formed in front of the mirror, right?
Yeah, in front of the mirror. That is why it is real and inverted.
Yeah. So what did you write? Image is equal to at focus.
At F focus. At F means H.
Yeah.
Guys, did you understand? Lena, Miracle, Abraham. Did you understand? If you have any doubt, please ask me.
So,
Got it?
the size will be, what is the size?
Size is point size.
I didn't understand the point size.
Will make you understand. This is the first case. When you will do second and third case, you will get more clear. In the next class, you will understand. No problem. Right now, just type it. Okay, guys. So with this note, we'll end this class. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Tomorrow we'll do more image formation, and tomorrow the more clear concept will be there. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Thursday, please come up with your doubts. If no doubts, we'll continue with the studies because Friday is the test. Now, Agatha, can you repeat what Friday, what test is there? On Friday, what test is?
Chapter
Ah.
5, chapter 10.
Yeah, chapter 5 and chapter 10 is the test. So please go through it and then we'll meet on. Oh, chapter 5 and chapter 10, it is in the group. So please go through it and then we'll meet on. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thanks for the class.
Thank you. Bye.